Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fort Scott, local and long distance movers near me. The process of transporting goods across great distances is daunting, but with us in charge, you needn't worry. A long distance move is defined as a distance of more than 50 miles from your existing home. Your belongings will be delivered on schedule and in good condition, no matter where they are located. Our movers are also extremely well versed in the art of moving. They meticulously arrange and pack your items in the trucks. Our moving trucks are also of the greatest quality. Carrying heavy loads over long distances is no problem for these vehicles. Also, our drivers are quite knowledgeable. They are licensed, abide by all traffic laws, and arrive on time. We're the top moving company in Fort Scott, according to our customers. Compared to long distance relocation, local moves are usually more affordable. Our local moving services are among the most affordable in the area. Even though our prices are relatively low, our moving services are excellent. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour for our services. Because we provide exceptional customer service, we have received a lot of favorable feedback from our customers. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fort Scott moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.